Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11. Today student we are going to understand how to use exponent function of math module. So let's begin student. So you can see student how to use exp, that is exponent function. Actually exp function is one of the function of math module student which is used to calculate the power of e, where e is Euler's number which is approximately equal to 2.71828 and so on. Okay, if you will type math.exp within round bracket 1, okay, it will give you this value. Here is 1 2 3 where this one value is variable of e exponent value. We can get it from the code. So let's begin with the practical part. So I'm going to open a Python IDE, and then if we are going to open a particular file, a new file. So here suppose that I'm using math module, so I have to import the math module first, and then after that I will simply print using function from math module. Okay, and now we can say that simply next line math.exp within round bracket 1, what will come? So we can say that same thing, math as variable, then exp within that 1. Okay, so now I'm going to just save it. So after that you can see the output will come. This is a particular code. So math.exp 2.7182 and so on, it will come. Okay, it is approximately the same as this one. Now after that we can say the next one code. Okay, so here e is equivalent to definitely this one. Okay, this one value. So here we are getting the exponential form of given number. Okay, so here is e equals to this value. Okay, for example, if I'm going to just print this math.exp 3, so let's see what will come. So here is math.exp within this 3. Okay, so here it will come different value, that is 20. Okay, this is exponential of that. If I'm just using the same thing, okay, with the exponential value 2, so here is 2 and output also containing 2. So let's see what will the output. Here will be 7.38. so actually it is Euler's value, and its power we are going to give here power 1, power 2 and power 3. This will be the output, look like this. Okay, now we are talking about this particular value student. Suppose that how to use the exponential value in Python. Suppose that question paper have write this particular value in Python code, how you will type it, how you will write it. Okay, so to do that student, we have to use exponential variable, not the exponential function. In this example you have learned how to use exponential function, and now we are using, suppose that simply a value 1 point, suppose that 1.6, then after that into 10 to the power, suppose that 4 we are going to write. So in this way we will write, okay, this is power, you can consider. Okay, this is based on power because I can't write it now. So how to write it student? Okay, or we can say that simply here is we are writing this one thing, 1.6 into 10 to the power 9. So how to write it? In this we are going to simply use print. Simply suppose that here is a variable a I am considering, a equals to 1.6. okay, then e. Okay, here is do not use any kind of multiplication sign or asterisk in place of e, simply e. Here is 10 to the power I think 9, so exponent is 9. So now I am going to just print a. So let's see what will the output. Now you can see this will come. Okay, 1.6, this will become. Okay, and same way if I'm going to use print 0.44 e to the power 2, so what will come? Let's see. So you can see 44 will come. I will show you again this one thing. So here is, now you can see 44 will come, 44.0, that means to say 44. Okay student, if I am going to write here like this, print 4.5 e to the power 19, let's see what will the output. So now you can see 4.5 e to the plus 19. Okay, so same way if we are going to write this one thing, 1 2 3 4 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. So how to use this? So simply we will use this one thing, print 1 2 3 4 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. So you have to write here minus 7. Okay, so e exponent represent exponent, not the function. It is a simple e variable exponent. It can be capital or small, both. Okay, so after that you have to just run it, and now you can see it will come look like this. If it is in a calculatable manner, it will show you in an exact value, otherwise it will show you in a exponent form. So I will try to do that, students. Suppose that minus 17, so in this time you can see this will come. So 1.2345 e to the power minus 13 it will come, because after reduction of the decimal point it has come look like this. Okay student, so student, today we have learned how to form the exponential form of the value, okay, and in negative and positive also, and how to use exponential function also of the math module also, whose Euler's value is 2.71. So student, we can do the same thing with the help of, suppose that 1 2 3 4 5 capital E minus 17, the value will be same. Here is no difference between capital and small. Okay, it will show you, I will show you in fresh copy student, it will show you in this format only. But the difference between Euler's value and this exponent value is that it is used to Euler's value, that is value is 2.7182 and approximately. Okay, and here is E, that is used to 10 to the power minus 18 minus 17 or 10 to the power plus 2 plus 19, whatever. So student, I hope you have understand how to get the value of that also. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.